The respiratory system.
Oh, tingnan niyo ma'am. Pangit na sulat. Ang ganda.
Oh, you look so very exhausted.
Because I am tired and I need more oxygen.
What is oxygen?
Oxygen is produced by plants. We inhale oxygen and we exhale carbon dioxide.
Where does this exchange happen?
This exchange happens in our lungs.
Where are our lungs located?
It's located at our chest.
Okay.
The air passage. First, the air enters the nostrils. Second, passes through the pharynx. Third, the larynx, through the glottis, into the trachea, into the left and right bronchi. And seventh, bronchioles. And eighth, alveoli. This is where the oxygen is absorbed by the blood and carbon dioxide is released. Exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide.
What will happen if we inhale methane gas?
We may have breathed the gas when it has entered a building or home by issuing from a crack in the foundation or via a sewer trap, or we may have unwittingly inhaled methane gas when we pass septic tank, sewer, manhole, or farm waste pit. What will happen if we inhale nitrogen gas? You are inhaling 80% nitrogen all the time. You are still alive because it contains oxygen.
If you remove the oxygen and put more nitrogen, eventually you will reach a point where you will be dead. What will happen if you inhale carbon monoxide?
Because carbon monoxide binds to hemoglobin several hundred times more strongly than oxygen, it affects our cumulative and long-lasting, causing oxygen starvation throughout the body. Another cause of indoor air pollution that can even cause death is carbon monoxide. There are many appliances in the home that uses gas or wood as fuel, including heating systems which can release carbon monoxide into your home. This is a serious problem because carbon monoxide is an odorless, colorless gas that stops oxygen from getting to vital parts of the body.
very exhausted?
Because I am tired and I need more oxygen.
What is oxygen?
Oxygen is produced by plants. We need it to survive. We inhale oxygen and we release carbon dioxide.
Where does this exchange happen?
This exchange happens in our lungs.
Oh, there you are. Why are you so very exhausted?
Because I am tired and I need more oxygen.
What is oxygen?
Oxygen is produced by plants. We inhale...